Hello, hello, and this is Notary Life with Kimmi. Hey guys, so today we're talking all things E&O insurance or errors and omission. What is that first of all? Errors and omission insurance covers you as the notary while you're acting as a notary and doing your duties out there. What does that look like? Every time you do a stamp with an acknowledgement or a jurat or an oath, that is part of your job as a notary. So I've heard a lot of YouTube channels, a lot of people in the chats, Facebook, and they say that E&O insurance does not cover your loan signing. Is that true? Is it not? Let's get right into it. So the fact is, E&O insurance does cover the notarial part of your signing. As you stamp that document and you're signing your name as the notary, that is covered. Okay, I call the National Notary Association myself, and that is actually covered. And it's not that I had to call them. I already knew that because that's why I purchased the insurance through them. But just for clarification, so this is directly from their website. And as it mentions here, we all know the importance of having car insurance, home insurance, health insurance, right? So you do need insurance to cover you as a notary. And I recommend the National Notary Association. Why? Because they will provide a legal defense for you that is an expert in notary law. If you have a claim, legal fees, or court costs, this is directly from the website. There's no deductible, which means that if you do have a claim, for instance, you don't have to pay the first $500 like you do on your home or your car. There's no deductible. You don't have to repay any losses. So that means if they do pay out something on your behalf, you don't have to pay anything. It's not like you have to repay them. So the NNA pays out, or whoever, merchant bond is who they use. If they pay out $5,000 for you, you don't have to come back and repay them the $5,000. It's just done. So what it does not cover, though, it does not cover anything illegal that you may do or that you knowingly do that is illegal. It does not cover property. If you're at someone's home and you run over their mailbox, you are not covered. If you trip and fall at their home and you have a $1,000 medical bill, you are not covered. If you accidentally knock their little child down and they end up in the hospital, you are not covered. Someone steals your stamp, you are not covered. But the point of it is that E&O insurance does cover your notarial part of the loan signing. So you may ask, well, how much E&O insurance do I need? I personally have $25,000. This again is going to be state specific because there may be requirements in your state that I don't have. Or depending on who you're working for. I tend to do a lot of work for signing companies. Signing companies do have their own coverage. So they're not going to allow me, little old me, to go out and do a $250,000 house signing and they don't cover themselves, right? So I'm covering myself as a notary. They're covering themselves as a company. And that way we're all covered. So how much do you need? Again, that's going to be totally up to you. If you're working direct, you may need a little bit more because you have no middleman. The signing company covers the signing agent that they send out. But if you're going direct, it's just you and the title company. There is no middleman to take the loss. So you do need to make sure you're fully covered. And they may require you to have $100,000 up to $1 million. So again, you have to kind of do what's best for your business plan. Again, I tend to do a lot of signings for signing companies. So E&O insurance is very important. I do not want to act like you don't need that because you do. I would not touch anyone's document and you are not protected. Just like you wouldn't drive a car without car insurance, okay? So the main thing I want you to take away though is that you may not have to get this all expensive policy or more expensive policy when you might be okay with just a $25,000 policy. I personally have done okay with just having a $25,000 policy. And again, it depends on your business plan and it depends on a lot of factors. I know you guys hate when I say, well, it depends on A, B, C, D, E. It truly does. And being a business owner, it's not always going to be black and white. As a business owner, you're going to have to make some decisions for your business. What I do for my business is my business. So I know that irritates a lot of people sometimes. They're like, Kim, tell me. Again, even with insurance, I cannot tell you which one to do. But you do need E&O. I do get mine from the NNA. I do have a $25,000 policy and I've been fully protected. So this is my thoughts on E&O. What's yours? Drop it in the comments. Well, click, subscribe, like. Until next time, Notary Life with Kimmi. Bye.